So hurling then, it looks like a sport, but here in Kilkenny it's a religion. We've been playing it for about 3,000 years. The modern rules were created in 1885, and since then Kilkenny has become the most successful team. So the men have won the championship 36 times and the ladies 15. The field is bigger than a football field. It's about 90 metres wide by 140 metres long. You have two teams, 15 players per team, and each player carries one of these flat wooden sticks. It's called a hurl. The ball is slightly bigger than a tennis ball. It's made of leather and filled with cork traditionally. You can catch it in your hand. You can then run for a maximum of 4 steps, after which you hit it away using an open hand. You can kick it or hit it with the hurl. The other option you have is to run with the ball balanced on the hurl. You can go as far as you want, but you won't get far because physical contact is allowed. Violence is not. There's a little grey area between the two of those. So point scoring, you have H-shaped goals like in rugby. If the ball goes over the bar, that gets you 1 point, and underneath it then it gets you 3 points. It's quite hard for goalkeepers. Shots typically go at 80 miles an hour, but the fastest shot recorded was 120 miles an hour. Our stadium here in Kilkenny is called Nolan Park. It holds 30,000, but only 26,000 people live in the city. Kilkenny then, it's also a county, and in the county we have about 100,000 people here. Hurling is strictly amateur. The players can only play for their own parishes, and then the best ones go on and represent the county. The statue then, the sculptor is called Barry Rafter from Clare. It was sculpted using a single piece of Kilkenny limestone. The players in the stripes represent Kilkenny. Our colours are black and amber. Unfortunately, the statue is cursed. Since they put it here in 2016, the men have not won a championship.
Let's break it down right now.
Absolutely, go ahead. Any questions?
You play?
So we're in school, we had to. If you didn't bring your hurl into school, they made you run laps of the field. Well, I wasn't good enough, so...
With the ball coming back quickly, does the goalie have any form of additional protection, or does he just have a helmet and his own stick?
No, if you have additional protection, it'll slow you down.
Okay.
And you want to get out of the way? No.
Nothing no matter.
No, so for the last 15 years, helmets have been mandatory, but before that, no. Yeah.